Okay, y'all, so I wanted to try this viral snack that I've been seeing with these hot Cheetos and the pickle. So I got me some hot Cheetos and a pickle. I'm about to chop this up into little pickle slices, and I'm about to crush these into dust. I'll be back. BRB. Y'all, I got the chips crushed. Now on to chop the pickle. So yeah, like this. Little pickle coins, or whatever y'all want to call it. Okay, we got the pickle sliced. Alright, so I'm back. I put the Cheeto dust in a bag so I could just drop a few pickles in, mix it up, and taste it. Alright, y'all, so my mouth is watering. My mouth is literally watering. So we're gonna put a few pieces of the pickles in here. Got the pickles here. Let's start with a good 3 pickles. 3 seems about right. Make sure you zip it. Zip lock it back. So shake. Period, BRB. Alright, so let's try it. Okay. Oh, y'all, get into it. Look how freaking covered it is. Oh, okay. Oh, no. That's different. Let me try it one more time. This is the other one. Oh, y'all. It look good, but I don't know about how it tastes. I'm not a fan. BRB. Honestly, I don't know if it's because I'm a texture person and the pickle already kind of soggy, and then you got the Cheeto dust on there that's giving like Cheeto puff sogginess too. I don't know. And I'm like a texture person, so anything soggy is not okay with me, but I would much rather prefer just eating each of the items alone. Like my pickles separately from my Cheetos, just period. But y'all give it a try. Tell me what y'all think. Let me know if y'all like it or not, but it's definitely, I'll give it like a 4 out of 10.